Nyakuram Gajuan County ma Homa Bay do municipalities ang'wen manyien mageto chwalo chenro mag dongruok ne jopiny e moyo pogore mantiere county no. Main bank ka Jokanyo marom 32 board matayo municipality ang'wen chao muma mar chakayanga tijegi e bombego. Municipalities ang'wen manyien go gino Ugis, Dhiwa, kendo be kod Mbita. Kapo ma Homa Bay to noseyudo municipality gni abich mokalo makoro kelo kwan municipalities chopo abich. Governor ma county no Gladys Wanga manotelo ne nyasi no kune Jokanyo e board mag municipality go mondo mi one ni otiyo makare mar bero bombe mopogore e alwora no.
Do your best. Can you kindly do your best? You are going to compete amongst the 5 municipalities within Homa Bay County. And after competing locally, you will now compete nationally.
When I had discussions at the national level around some of the funding that had been received by counties, whether you talk about the Kenya Urban Support Program or the Kenya Informal Sector Support Program, we discovered that Homa Bay was receiving very, very low amounts. We have said that we want Homa Bay to become a city within the next decade.
E county ma Migori